K+S Services is an ISO-certified servo amplifier repair provider serving manufacturers in North America. Founded in 1982, we're known for our high-quality workmanship with best-in-class pricing and lead times. We can repair servo amplifiers from a wide array of manufacturers, including FANUC, ABB, and Yaskawa Motoman. Visit K+S.com to view our complete line card. At K+S Services, each servo amplifier repair starts with a thorough cleaning and baking to remove all contamination. Then, we'll replace any damaged components, including resistors and diodes, and test to ensure the faults were corrected. Once we know the servo amp is once again operational, we'll go back in to perform preventive maintenance by replacing all high failure and age-sensitive components. The entire repair process can take between 10 and 15 days, but we do offer expedited repair services should you need it back quicker. You can track our progress at any time through our online customer web portal. Once we finish refurbishing your component, it will go back into test in the appropriate robot cabinet to be tested under real-world conditions with full end-of-arm load. Each servo amp repair comes with our 12-month in-service warranty for your peace of mind. Get reliable servo amplifier repairs from K+S Services. Call or visit us online today to get started with a free evaluation.